Let's see the solution of this GATE 2025 question which has been asked in the civil branch based on the eigenvalues. One of the very easiest question which has been asked in the 2025 from the eigenvalue segment. So question is talking about, suppose lambda is an eigenvalue of matrix A and X is the corresponding eigenvector. Let X is also be an eigenvector of matrix B. So it's given to you for matrix A, eigenvalue is lambda and eigenvector is X. For the matrix B, which is equals to A minus 2i, X is also an eigenvector and then I is an identity matrix. So we need to find out the eigenvalue of B corresponding to the eigenvector X. So dear students, we know very well one of the very basic concept of eigenvalue. If lambda is an eigenvalue of matrix A, then lambda square will be the eigenvalue of A square. Lambda cube will be the eigenvalue of A cube, right? Even in this case, eigenvector remain unchanged. So here eigenvector is X, with A square also eigenvector is X, with A cube also eigenvector is X. So eigenvector remain unchanged. Now here we are looking for the eigenvalue of A minus 2i. So in the same manner I can write down for the matrix A minus 2i, eigenvalue will be what? Lambda minus 2. What you need to do at the place of A, you need to put lambda only. So this will be lambda minus 2. In this concept, very easily we can understand this कि eigenvalue will be changed according to the power. So for lambda eigenvalues A, lambda square, A square, lambda cube, A cube, then lambda minus 2 will be the eigenvalue of A minus 2i, and in this case again eigenvector remain unchanged, so eigenvector will be X only. So in this question it is asking to us what is the eigenvalue of matrix B, which is A minus 2i. So we can write down directly, it will be what? Lambda minus 2. If they ask you again the eigenvector, if it is not given, then also we can write down the result. Eigenvector is X, eigenvalue is lambda minus 2. Thank you.